What makes James Bond such an iconic character around the world? Is it his suave and dapper personality? Check. Does it have to do with his witty remarks and womanizing ways? Of course. But the real magic of a Bond movie lies in those special moments which can only be found in a 007 feature. We bring you the top 5 James Bond moments from his half a century long career. So, let's begin with the piranha feeding moment from You Only Live Twice. The cat stroking villain Ernst Stavro Blofeld finds out that Bond is still alive and he decides to punish his minions. Poor Helga Brandt gets the worst of it. Instead of a sound spanking and detention, Blofeld hits a secret pedal, causing her to fall into a convenient pool of piranhas. Who else but a Bond villain would have his office filled with man-eating fishes? After months of torture and imprisonment at the hands of North Koreans in Die Another Day, you can hardly expect Bond to be his usual sophisticated self. But bearded and bedraggled as he may be, our dear 007 loses none of his swag as he saunters into the plush Royal Rubian Hotel and demands his usual suite. After a long gap, James Bond returned in a new blonde avatar in Casino Royale. And just in the opening few minutes, the film managed to blow the collective minds of Bond fans around the world with a fantastic chase sequence. It features a rugged Bond chasing a nimble bomb expert through a construction site in a frenzied parkour-heavy chase sequence, intense enough to impress even Jason Bourne. It was a fresh, energetic and wacky enough to infuse a new energy into the Bond franchise. But that intense chase scene is rivaled by the equally riveting cat and mouse sequence between Bond and Scaramanga in The Man with the Golden Gun. The nail-biting moment as Bond and Scaramanga try to outdo each other in his $1 million funhouse ends on a terrific note as 007 outsmarts the villain. Martinis, ladies, funky villains, funkier gadgets and cool vehicles. That's what Bond is all about. And never has there been a cooler vehicle than Bond's Lotus Turbo Esprit in The Spy Who Loved Me. Not only is it a swanky ride, but it also transformed into a mini sub when Bond drives it straight into the water and helps 007 escape his pursuers. So guys, those were our favorite moments from the Bond franchise. What are your favorite Bond moments? Do share them with us in the comment section below and subscribe and like our channel for more such fun videos.